Yeah.
Thank you for watching Alibi. My name's Sonny,
I'm Trinell.
and today we're out here at the Anaheim Packing District, and we're checking out Sweetbird. This place is known for making chicken sandwiches. They got a bunch of flavors and whatnot. We're gonna go check them out for you.
Chicken connoisseur, baby.
Come follow us. So, we're over here at Sweetbird, and we went to go try one of the chicken sandwiches.
Yeah.
Because we're here with the chicken connoisseur.
That's me.
I tried to get him in between my legs. He didn't want to.
Hell no. He's weird.
We're on these like weird Japanese platforms, bro. Like, you have to like crisscross,
Applesauce.
douse them, sit, namyo ringoke type stuff. Yeah. But yeah, so we came out here to check out their chicken. So what did we get?
We got the zesty chicken. There's 3 different kinds. You got the original, spicy, which you guys know I don't do too much of, but zesty seen right in the middle. So
You can take a bite. So this is in the packing district in Anaheim. Alright.
Compliments of Nate. Man, they really package this great in the packaging district.
They pack and pack it right here.
Yep. Pack it.
They use 2 trees to wrap this
Look at that.
fucking chicken sandwich.
All right.
I can hear the crunch. You guys hear that? I put my mic closer to his cheek, but I don't know his face been around. Let's try it out. All right, here we go. Bring this closer. Chicken's all right. It's a fat chicken sandwich, yo.
It is. It's a big piece of meat.
Cut pickles.
It's still moist on the inside, so they didn't like overcook it. The crispiness, I know you guys probably heard me munching over here. I mean, the bread's good as fluffy. I'm chicken connoisseur, so I've had a lot of chicken.
They give you ranch.
I don't know where I would.
Tastes like ranch, dog. I forgot to dip it, man. It was getting a little dry in my mouth. I didn't like just put a little sauce in there. I don't know, it's good. It's delicious.
Delicious.
You guys should definitely try this place out. It's just the packing district in Anaheim. As I said before. But yeah.
How was that? How was the ranch
Delicious.
though? Tell me about the ranch.
So the ranch it tastes homemade. Good. Got a nice tang. Perfect creaminess to it.
I would definitely say, I mean, what would you compare it to Crack Shack though? I didn't get to try Crack Shack, so
I like Crack Shack a little better. Their flavors were like that Royal Burger, bro.
Yeah?
Telling you, it's like breakfast came to kick it. Delicious.
Yeah, I think we got some better spots though. But it is still good. I mean, there's so many different spots in the packing district. You guys can, come here and have a day out of yourself. So definitely got a lot of spots to drink, if you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, this is like OC's version of Grand Central Market.
Yeah, so I would definitely say you guys got to come out here and try it out. Bring somebody to eat with, so a perfect date spot. You know what I'm saying? Ashley.
And bring someone that's a little more like wanting to try new things, like getting between your legs. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
I'm just saying though, you know what I mean? Like, I only brought him 1 drink, bro. That's all I do. I thought it was gonna be enough. No, I'm just kidding.
He didn't even buy me a drink. But yeah, overall, the spot's dope. So I would definitely come out here and try it out. I don't know about his recommendations. You know what? Actually, his recommendations could work for you. It really could be a new thing.
But we're gonna go ahead and list the descriptions of this spot down below, and then just make sure you go and try them out. And if you do, leave a comment.
Yep.
And then also hit that like button.
That bell notification.
So you can watch videos just like this one. And if you have any recommendations, spots you want us to check out, put them in the comments box down below. And most of all, share this with your family and friends,
because they gonna love it.
and we'll catch you on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.